Essential student, you're welcome to the class. So in this practical, we are going to be making oil-based cake. Remember, we have talked about butter-based cake. So this is oil-based cake. It's very simple to do, very easy, fast, and simple to do. In here is our ingredients. We have our oil. I'll be listing the recipe on the comment section, so do well to check. Okay, this is our oil, flour, eggs, buttermilk. Remember, buttermilk, milk plus vinegar. So we'll prepare our buttermilk right away. We'll add our 1 teaspoon to the milk, stir it and set it aside to curdle while we'll go on to do the batter preparation. Okay, so to begin, you crack your eggs. Okay, to that you add your sugar and whisk it. You can whisk with your hand mixer, or you can use your normal, manual whisk. Okay, but this is one of the cake that is very easy to prepare, very easy, fast, and prepare. Very easy to prepare, yeah. Very easy. Okay. No more. I know most of you will be making this cake every time now. You don't want to go into the stress of creaming your butter. To that you add your oil, whisk and whisk and whisk. Okay, whisk it very well. Then add your baking powder to the flour, mix it. Then now add your buttermilk. Just stir a little bit. Add your flavor. Then start adding your flour gradually. Your flour mixture gradually. Okay? Make sure there is no lumps. You add, you whisk, you add again, you whisk until it's exhausted. Remember to prepare your pan before you even start the process, okay? At this point, you should put on your oven to preheat your oven before baking, okay? You can see we are done. We are done. So you can see, just look at the consistency. We are done here. You can see it's very easy. Very easy. I hope you like this, because you want a stress-free cake. So this is one of the stress-free cakes, okay? After pouring it, tap your pan and put it in the oven to bake for like 35 to 40 minutes. Then you are good to go. Guys, our cake is ready. Look at that. Okay guys, I want you to try out this cake and let me know. Okay, try it out and let me know how you feel about it. Enjoy.